ClubsDock is a convenient and elegant golf bag storage system that saves space and eliminates clutter. It is designed to fit every golf bag and can support up to 90 pounds. ClubsDock is easy to install and can be mounted on any wall, indoors or outdoors. ClubsDock is made of high-quality steel that is covered in a special coating, making it durable and weather-resistant. It features a custom design holder that keeps golf bags securely in place. ClubsDock also has a built-in shelf for storing golf shoes, gloves, and other accessories. ClubsDock is the perfect solution for golfers who want to keep their golf gear organized and protected. It is also a great way to add a touch of elegance to any home or office. Here are some of the benefits of using ClubsDock. ClubsDock is a wall-mounted storage system, so it frees up valuable floor space. ClubsDock keeps your golf bag and accessories organized and out of the way. ClubsDock's custom design holder keeps your golf bag securely in place, and its durable construction protects your clubs from damage. ClubsDock can be mounted on any wall in just minutes. ClubsDock's sleek design complements any decor. If you are looking for a convenient and elegant way to store your golf gear, ClubsDock is the perfect solution for you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.